Ginger is a popular and versatile product that enjoys application in cooking and medicine. Its rhizomes contain essential oils, gingerol, vitamins B and C, minerals such as potassium, magnesium and iron, antioxidants and amino acids. In particular, ginger is used to make spices, medicines, essential oils, and in food manufacturing. However, raw ginger is a perishable product, which makes it difficult to store and transport for long periods of time. This necessitates processing of ginger into more stable forms, such as powder or pastes. For instance, ginger paste has a number of advantages. It preserves the taste and aroma properties of raw ginger, constitutes a ready-to-use product, and can even replace the raw root in recipes. Ginger grinding to produce a paste usually involves several steps: washing, peeling, cutting, blanching, and further grinding until a homogeneous consistency is obtained. Manual grinding or industrial grinders are typically used for this purpose. While these methods are relatively simple, they have their constraints. For example, manual grinding requires considerable time and effort, and industrial grinders with knife mechanisms are characterized by low energy efficiency and limited homogeneity of the resulting paste. Based on this, GlobeCore professionals have developed a ginger grinding technology with the use of CLM colloid mills. Grinding in these colloid mills is implemented due to high hydraulic impacts and shear forces that occur between a rotor and a stator. This allows for ultra-fine grinding of ginger into a homogeneous paste, which storage life can be extended by using additional stabilizers, such as xanthan gum. In addition to obtaining a homogeneous and high-quality product, GlobeCore colloid mills have a number of advantages. These include wide capacity range. Models with a capacity of several tens of liters per hour for maturing of new ginger paste formulations and models with a capacity of thousands of liters per hour for medium and large food manufacturing facilities are produced. High quality of structural materials. The main parts of the mill are made of high-grade stainless steel, which is resistant to corrosion and safe for food products. Setting the grinding rate. Adjusting the rotor and stator gap makes it possible to achieve different rates of ginger grinding for a variety of ginger paste formulations. Compact dimensions and ease of operation. The simple design saves the floor space, so managing the equipment requires no great effort. Normally, it is sufficient to set up the product to mill supply and start the mill by pushing just one button. Thus, CLM colloid mills are a convenient and versatile solution for ginger paste production. The ginger paste produced with the use of GlobeCore technology retains the aroma, taste, and benefits of a raw product, making it indispensable in a fast-paced consuming environment. And what kind of equipment do you use for ginger grinding and ginger paste production? Share your experience of using such equipment in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore ginger grinding technology and equipment can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.